welcome to another update on the Droxford layout. Basically, since the last video, I've done this sort of, I'm holding the light as well, so I can't really point too much. I've done this bit of the cutting side here, and that's now done. That's just got to be finished off with grasses and things like that, which I'm going to do when I get the rest of it done. Points put in there, point motor. I have to do the above baseboard because basically when I put the track down, because I had to compress the track plan, there's a cross member underneath it. So what I've done that like a little permanent way hut sort of thing on there, and I'll sort of build the scenery around that. Talking of scenery, I've now done this bit. I've not fixed the roadway in here yet because obviously I've got to do the rest of it. Tell you what I have done though, today we now have the point motors and things put in. I've only done the 2 points at either end of the loop at the minute. I've got to get 3 more point motors. I went to the swap meet at Elsica on Tuesday, got 2 for a £5, so I thought that's a good bargain. So yeah, I've just literally just done the point sort of layout here. What I've done for the studs is actually nails, and what I've done, I've cut them short and then fixed some terminal strip underneath, you know, the other little chop block connectors, so all the wires just screw into the chop blocks. And then I've made the little stud probe thing. Do you know plastic lolly sticks? Plastic lolly sticks. I sort of used one of them, fed the wire through, and then pushed a broken drill bit into the end. Works brilliant. Works fine, so that's not too bad. What I did get at the swap meet was this fencing and gates, because the entrance to the goods yard is going to be a gate for that, and also if I swing the camera around this side of the bridge, there's a gate that goes on one side of the bridge there, so I've got the gate for there as well. A quid, so I thought absolute bargain. I also bought, I'll probably swing round to here to the main layout. These LMS coaches, I bought them, 3 of them. They were 13 quid for the 3, and I bought 3 more Lima Mark 2s, got them 3 for a tenner, so that wasn't too bad. And I also got the Hornby L1, I'll show you that in a minute, and I paid about 14 quid for it. Just needed a bit of tidying up, so of course they go on eBay for ridiculous money, so didn't do too bad with that at all. Right, here's the L1 I bought, paid 14 quid for it. It just needed a bit of a tidy up, motor cleaned up, and not a bad runner. It's not running too bad at all now. I have to put new pickups on it and things, but yeah, quite pleased with that. Been after one for ages, but they go on silly money on eBay, and I thought right, I'll get it, because you know, raided my spare parts box for some bits to make a pickup for it, and yeah, that's it basically. It runs pretty well. Quite pleased with that. Runs okay. Right, that's the update so far. That's what I've done at the minute. Next job is going to be, I think, going to be doing the formers for the scenery on this bit. Can't do this bit till I get the platforms in, because there's still a little bit that's got to come along here. Then it comes down to the station area here. Got to get the platforms for that. Got the roadway here. This is not fixed down yet because I can't do this till I get the platforms in, so I know what height that's got to come down at. And that's it. Point motors for these 3 points here. That one, and that one. That'll be the point work done. But next job's going to be, I think, the sides of the cutting here. I think that's going to be the next job I'm going to do. Probably do some of that this week. But that's progress report so far. My Adwick Lane layout, which is over here, I haven't done a thing to really. It needs a good clean up actually, so I'll probably get some more work done on this at some point, but I'm just concentrating on my Droxford layout at the minute. But you know, it's sort of getting there, but I need to sort of resort the electrics for the lighting on the buildings on this layout, but I need to get some power supplies and things like that. So, but I do separate videos for my Adwick Lane layout anyway, so those are on my YouTube channel as well. But these are the coaches I bought. I bought these ones 3 for a tenner, and at the swap meet, and I bought these ones, the 3 Hornby LMS ones. They were 2 for 9 quid, but I got the 3 for 13 quid, so I thought that's not bad. So I've got a set of LMS coaches now. to go with another set I've got, because I've got LMS Steam logos up here and everything, so you know. But anyway, that's it so far. Thank you very much for watching, and feel free to subscribe. Any comments, they're gratefully received. I'll finish off with a shot down the track. So that's all I've done so far.